Hello everybody, it's me again, Crazy Bag Lady, in my little naughty position. So I've got a bit of a late Christmas present off me hubby. So it's arrived today, so it's just after Christmas. We're in between Christmas and New Year, and I saw this pop up sale second hand, and it looks lovely. And I know they're quite rare, and I know they're hard to get hold of, and there's only, I think, 2 other reviews on them on the whole of YouTube, or I could only find 2 anyway. So I'm gonna open and have a look. I can't get the box open. Why do I do this every time? I should really get the box open ready before I start. Right, okay, are we in? No, we're not in. Right, hang on. Ooh. It's not looking good, I can't get it open. Why are boxes so confusing? Some open one way, don't they? Some open another way. And I've got both my dogs down here trying to help me. You're really not helping, ladies. If you hear any funny noises, it's not me. It's my little pug. But let me just show you my current situation. They're both right near me. Right, okay, right, move out the way, sweetheart. Okay, so it's a handbag. You might have guessed it'd be a handbag. And it is a beautiful Coach handbag, and it is a tabby 26, I think it's called, and it's in the fluffiness. So I've decided I am a very fluffy, sparkly person, so most bags that I own now will be fluffy or sparkly. We're totally going to rock the sparkles in 2022 and the fluffiness. So this is a beautiful, it's like a pinky purpley sort of colour. It's not lilac, it's a very pretty colour, and then it's like shearling all over it, and then the sea is like beautiful. It's almost like a stone that you would find on the beach, and then it's got this lovely like shearling all over it, and then it's got a beautiful slip back pocket, and to open it, it's just like a little magnetic fastening, she says. It just fits in there. You lift it up, then it's got another little pocket there, and then it comes with a long strap, I think. Do they come with a longer and a shorter? No, just a long strap, and then you've got, find it, a middle pocket, a back pocket, and another pocket. So it's got quite a few good pockets, and then obviously it's got I thought they had a shorter strap. I was like thinking, where's the other strap? The strap's already on it, so that's the shorter strap. And then it also comes with a longer strap. It's got this beautiful like gunmetal hardware. You can also take the strap off them as well, so you could use it as a clutch if you wanted to. It has the cute little Coach dog tag thing on the side. The lady said she'd never used it, and it pretty much looks like it's never been used. So it's really soft leather, apart from the fluffy section. It's so cute. It's so adorable. I just love fluffy stuff. And look at the sea. The sea on the front is absolutely beautiful. So let's try it out for size. So, oh, that made everybody jump. Hang on, let me get the door. It was my dog food delivery. So let's carry on. So I'm about 5'6", about size 12 if that helps anybody. So obviously you can wear it on your shoulder. Coach bags sit so nice on your shoulder. They really do. They're very comfortable bags to carry, and the leather is just divine on them. You can wear it in the crook of your arm. Again, it's so cute. And then let's test it out. So obviously if it was a clutch, you could just put it under your arm and just carry it. Or you can sort of hang it lower down. And then if you put the long strap on it, which again is a lovely thick strap and it is adjustable. Let's have a look. So it's got really nice rings on the side that they attach to. The other side. So you could obviously take the smaller strap off as well, which to give it a bit more room. So it's got a really lovely thick strap. Again, you can adjust it so you can wear it different lengths, but that's it crossbody. So you can go hands free, and then you can also wear it on your shoulder, so it would just hang down like so. And then because it's shearling on the back of it, you actually won't have to worry about colour transfer, which is also a really good thing. So because it's got that little slip pocket, you can just put your phone and stuff in the back of it, or your keys if you needed to, and very, very easy access. So you just literally pull it, get your stuff out, pop it shut again. It's probably a little bit fiddly to close. That's it. Once you get it in the right place, it does stay shut. There we go. Lovely. What a really lovely, lovely bag. So the colour is just so adorable, and it's just so fluffy. As you know, I really do like fluffy bags. I had the beautiful Max Mara bag as well, which is also really fluffy. And then this is quite a similar sort of fluffy thing, but a bit more of a structured bag. So the other one's really soft and squishy, my Max Mara one, but this one is quite a structured bag, although it is a bit soft. And the leather just smells divine on it. So beautiful. So that's my little Christmas treat. So what do you think? It's beautiful, isn't it? So, so lovely. So, many thanks for joining me again. I'm not called Crazy Bag Lady for nothing, am I? So if you do love handbags as much as me, then please subscribe to my channel and come and find me on Instagram as Mrs. Crazy Bag Lady. So I hope you've enjoyed my little handbag unboxing. Do you like Coach bags? I know a lot of you do. Last time I bought a Coach bag, a lot of you really did like Coach bags and could recommend them so much. They're really, really beautiful. The leather is divine on them. And I've just noticed it's actually got suede sides. So the bottom is leather and the sides are suede. Absolutely beautiful. So I love you, Lulu. I'll see you soon. Bye.